This is a mulching guard. Right now, if you were to put the guard, this main guard down, it would cut with the grass blowing out. But if you put this guard on the deck, it'll make it that it will mulch the grass, leaves, whatever you got. So there's two little bungee cords with some springs, and there's two designated holes. One right here, and the other one is right here. And it just slides on there. And these extra hooks go in those holes. So now the guard is on, and you put this main guard down, nothing will come out. It'll turn it into a mulcher blade. I mean, it's not, I don't know if there's mulcher blades in there. I think they're just regular grass cutting blades, but putting that guard on makes the whole lawnmower act as though it's a mulcher.